As you see, my friend, as I told you, we'll always enter in that one cross here. Put it like that circle for you. Cross here, we enter. If it hit the stop, we don't care. If it hit the target, we don't care. That's how it's trading. And now let's go to the static of that strategy, because I can't give you something is not working. I give you a strategy it's working. And now reset is here. Sorry. And the strategy I am providing for you. Here there are 100 trades. You can see we make $264. Only the capital we start with is 100. And you see here is the losing, the percentage losing in 100, because 100 trade you're losing 61 trade and you win 39 trade. The one in the British pound US dollar, the ratio is always 1 to 3. I'll show it to you. A number by 3. And the capital growth is 164. That means if you bring that 164, you came here, do like that, do that one, minus that one. Sorry, can you do that one minus that one divided by 100 at the percentage by, make it percentage for anyone to know what is it. Sorry, because here you see the percentage. You're growing up your capital by 64%. I think that's very good, and only professional people are making that, not amateurs. Here that the strategy and everything about it. So that strategy, those tests, they are real, that the trades I took, saw it here, 0.01, 0.01, leverage 1 to 100, as you say, everything here. Some of them they pass 2 days, but I teach you how to be profitable. So I think everything is very clear now. Dive into another part of the video. So meet you there.